The SFI MRI Centre is made up of 6 universities, academic third-level institutes, and then we have 46 industries who are partners in the centre. So we have phenomenal infrastructure, and that infrastructure attracts in the top researchers. And I have found by bringing these researchers into the classroom, into the undergrads, we then attract the brightest students to come and do PhDs with us. And the route we're encouraged with our PhDs is to get them into industry afterwards. MRI could be broken into a number of research divisions. So one of the main branches of our research is to look at optimizing a wave device, taking energy from the waves and converting it to electricity. We would also look at tidal devices, which takes energy from the tide. And we have quite significant infrastructure in place, which is funded by, amongst others, Sustainable Energy Authority of Ireland. So we have the National Ocean Test Facility called LIR. So we model the effect of waves on floating wind turbines, on tidal devices. We're looking at the materials. How do you make this device that's going to sit in the water for 10, 20 years durable? We've done an awful lot of work with seaweed, and I would believe now that MRI is one of the world leaders in the area of making fuel from seaweed. So we need to wean ourselves off oil. We need to have ocean energy, wind energy, PV. We need to have bioenergy. We need to have wood chips. So MRI would look at the whole integrated system of energy production associated with the marine environment. But in particular, we're looking at bringing marine renewable energy into the country, into the transport system, into houses, into industry, and we're looking at optimizing that energy use by supporting technologies. So if you look at Ireland's competitive advantage, it's wind, it's wave, it's ocean, it's fish, it's seaweed. So we're looking at potential for an Ireland of the future that looks quite different than the Ireland we have now, where we're dependent on others for energy, where we have an aspiration that Ireland will be world leading in ocean energy, and that we will come up with the design of the optimal wave energy device or tidal device that can be patented and licensed and be used across the planet.